Okay guys, my new 3D printer just came in, and we're doing a test now, and in about 50 minutes we'll know if it prints. And this is a Anycubic Photon Mono X, so we're going to give this one a try. And I'm trying the same file, but they have a different file type. It's let's see. It is a PWMX file type. So we're going to see. So I went into the program and saved the file in that file type, and it accepted it. So right now it's at 2%. And on the other one, when it went 2%, it rose up and down a little bit. This thing hasn't moved yet, but we'll see. And this one doesn't have a network adapter on it, but it has an antenna. So I think it gets on the Wi-Fi, because there's an app you can put on your phone to monitor it and everything. And you can see the antenna. I'm going to put my finger back here. That's the antenna right there. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I ordered this yesterday, which was Sunday, and today's Monday, and it came already. So Amazon really got it here quickly. So the other one went back, and I got my credit on my account already. So I ordered it as soon as I got that email that the credit was there. So we'll see what happens. So I'll come back a little later after this thing finishes printing, and we'll see the results. So we'll see you all in a little while. Okay, we're getting close. It's at 98% now. And let's see if we get something this time. You see in the screen there, it shows the image, which it did in the Igloo a lot, but I don't understand why the Igloo didn't work. So let's hopefully this Anycubic Photon Mono X is going to work. We're at 99%. It just went to 100. The build plate is rising. Let's see if we see something attached to the bottom. It's coming up. I think I see something. I see something. Success. We have success. It actually worked. Yay! My first BD20 holder. Wow. It's great when something works right out of the box. So that's it for today. What I'm going to do now is set it up to print about, I don't know, I should be able to get, oh man, I probably can get 10 of them made at once in one shot. So I'm going to try and figure out how to do that next, and then we'll go from there. Alright, this is Tom, very excited, and I've got to clean off that build plate, but I'll do that after I'm watching this video. So I'll talk to you all later. And now we got 3D printing working. Yahoo! Okay guys, I took it off the build plate, and there it is. I don't want to touch it because it's still wet, and I'm going to let it dry overnight, and then I'll probably put it, I don't need to really cure it because it's not, I don't need to worry about that, but I got the curing station, and I'm going to try that, but I got to make a bunch more. So it came out great, and we'll see how it holds the BD20s, and we'll go from there. So we have success with our 3D printing. Awesome. Okay, good morning gang. Today I decided to try and print 15 at the same time, and you can see there's 15 squares on there, and we got about 56 minutes left to do it. So we'll be back after it's done, and we'll see what happens. See how it goes. The picture keeps going in and out, which is what the process is, but there it came back in again. So it's at 1% right now. I just started it a minute ago, and then it'll jump up to 2%, and then it continues to go. It'll take 58 minutes total to make these 15, which is really cool because it took 58 minutes just to make one. So no difference in the time, so that's going to be great. I can make 15 at a time, and in an hour. That's pretty darn good. So we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll be back later. I did this before I left for work this morning, so I won't be able to finish this up until I come home, because I won't be I'll be leaving for work in a little bit, and it'll still be going. So see right there, it just went to 2%. So we'll be back later on, and we'll show you the output. This is my first attempt at doing multiples on one print job, so let's see what happens. See you later. Well folks, it's at 99%, and the moment of truth is coming. Let's see if we got 15 on here. Give it another minute. I thought it was going to take longer, but it finished. I was just getting ready to leave for work, but it's in step 199 of 200. This finished. How about that? So now it's raising. I see them. Okay everybody, my last video got kind of cut off, and it didn't show the all the BD20s, 15 that I made, but this is my Igloo curing station and wash station. I'm going to put them on a table eventually. I just wanted to get them going, and they plug into the same power adapter, so it's pretty good. So there's the 15 BD20 holders that I made this morning, and they came out pretty good. They were a little tough to get off the build plate, but I finally figured it out. So this is my first attempt of doing a curing station, so I think I just have to there we go. Light came on, and then I think I just turned this. At 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and press it, and it's going to cure them for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I really didn't need to, I don't know if maybe I should have washed them first. I'm not sure what the right process is, but I just wanted to see what it does to these in the curing station. And my upper level has quite a few BD20s, but these first 15, well actually there's 16, yeah there's 16 on there. I made one individually and then 15, so I got 16 of them. So of the BD20s that I have already hooked up, I'll have plenty of them to make, hold them. Excuse me. And it's let's see, is it counting down? Yeah, see, it even counts down. So that's pretty cool how that works. And the wash station probably, it has the same kind of dial and display, and it makes a beeping sound or something like that. It's said in the instructions when it's done. So maybe I'll just put my rubber gloves on again after this does this, and take them out and wipe them down, and then I'll let them out to dry, and then I'll be able to use them. But that's that. So we'll just see what it sounds like when it finishes here in another 30 seconds. I just wish that first 3D printer I got worked, but even the support couldn't figure it out, so this Anycubic one works good. Then we got 10 seconds, now we're down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes, it just beat and finished. So they're cured now. I have to figure out, how long you have to keep them in there for and all that kind of stuff. But that's, these are just little things, so I'm not worried too much about that. I mean, if you were doing models of stuff that then you probably want to be more accurate in how long you want to cure it and stuff like that. But these, I'm not looking for looks or anything. They're hidden under the layout anyway. So that's it for the Anycubic project. There's the unit again. I moved it back on my desk now a little bit, and still has a lot of rosin in that bin, and I already made 16, so I'm going to make another batch probably tomorrow. I got other things that came in today that I want to work on. So that's it for now, and I'll let you all know how they worked out. So we'll see you in the next video. So this is Tom, and we are now 3D printing. Take care. I'm back again, guys. Just one last thing. I decided to wash them. So I put this liquid in. It's from Ceratech. It's a gray color, and so it's in there. Now we just push this in, or we turn this knob. I think we just push this in. There it goes. And then turn the knob, and we'll let it wash for 5 minutes. Then all you have to do is push it once. Now it's going to wash them. Sounds like a washing machine. So that's that. And then I'll take them out and let them dry, and we should be good to go. So again, this is Tom here, and my 3D printing project is on its way. So I got a lot of things that I want to design and build, and we'll go from there. So these two little extra things I got for it are working out pretty good. The only thing I did find is that you can put the build plate right inside the wash stand if you want to, but I don't know how far down it'll go in there, because we want the liquid on top of the thing, the objects. And also I had them on that paper towel, and when I cured them, it kind of seized them to the paper towel on some of them, so I had to peel the paper off a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. It's on the bottom, and next time I won't use the paper towel. I have to figure out what I want to put. I don't want to, maybe I should wash them, let them dry, then cure them. I got to read the directions and find out which is the right way to do it. So that's it, folks, and we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and you all take care. We'll see you all at Strasbourg. Who's going there? Take it easy. Bye. Okay, there's the 16 all out of the wash station. So I used the rag there to wipe them all down, and I'll just let them dry. And then all I got to do is take a small drill bit and drill out those holes on top. And as you can see, that one didn't make it all the way through, that one up there in the upper right, but it has the form, so all I gotta do is drill a hole. That way the screw goes right through easy, and that's what holds it up on the board. So we'll see what happens. So again, my 3D printing project is moving right along. So just wanted to add this on because I got them all cleaned off, and I said, well, I might as well put this on the video too. So that's what they look like, and more stuff to come. So we'll see you all later. This is Tom, and y'all take care. Thanks. Bye.